Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Still on the Mercy and Ike Show. This recent episode says Ike is manipulative and greedy. In my opinion, Mercy and Ike are no longer good for each other. Do you know that Ike asked Mercy to go hang out with Willie and get money for the both of them? In today's Mercy and Ike's show, episode 5, on African Magic Showcase, the duo is having issues in their relationship. Problems bordering on trust, greed, control, and demands. Still on Mercy's trip to the UK, where she spent time with her friend Willie, Ike is yet to get over the closeness between his girlfriend and Willie. Ike questioned Mercy when she came back regarding what happened between her and Mercy when she was in the UK. It doesn't seem like Ike is satisfied with what he heard, but what surprises people the most is why he is acting like he did not agree to Mercy meeting the Willie in question. Ike even went further, asking her to delete Willie's number and also unfollow him on all social media platforms, just because Mercy refused to give him any money from what she got in the UK. Well, this comes off as a manipulative move from Ike. Besides, Willie was Mercy's friend before Ike came into the picture. How come he wants a share in her money but not in the friendship? This seems like greed on his part. Well, the two of them are clearly not ready to commit. Ike is still a baby at the fingertips of his family. Mercy, on the other hand, needs an emotionally mature partner. This does not look good. Hopefully, they can sort this out. Guys, let me know what you think about Mercy and Ike's relationship. Do you think Ike's greed and manipulative nature will take them anywhere? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment, and click on the bell icon to receive notifications when the new story drops.